Sugar Daddies Boy Toys, the upcoming Miami-based Truly Real reality TV show, where daddies choose boys and boys choose daddies, just like it is in the real world. And in the end, the choice is between the possibility of love everlasting and the certainty of $100,000 in clean, cold cash. Created by fashion designer Wayne James, coming in the fall of 2026. Subscribe by clicking the button below for updates and to witness the truly Grande Premiere. For more information on how to audition, visit www.sugardaddiesboytoys.com. Sugar Daddies Boy Toys by fashion designer Wayne James, where dreams turn into reality. For real, for real.